Do you feel muscle aches? Are you tired and discouraged? These can be symptoms of stress. Stress is the body's response to excess stimuli to our brain. Worries, anxiety, problems, any number of factors can bring on stress. There's no specific treatment for someone who suffers from stress, but there are several alternative therapies that can help you deal with the symptoms of stress. Here are some alternative therapies that might help you deal with stress. 1. Yoga. Yoga is a series of stretching, physical conditioning, and meditation exercises that help improve your overall quality of life. One of the most important points of yoga is that it helps to improve our quality of sleep and posture. It also helps with memory and blood circulation problems. 2. Shiatsu. Shiatsu consists of pressing specific points of the body to achieve a certain effect. These points are called meridians. This therapy was created in Japan and helps in the treatment of constipation, muscle pains, PMS, as well as others. 3. Acupuncture. Like Shiatsu, acupuncture also presses specific points on the body, only with needles, to stimulate a particular organ and achieve a desired result. Acupuncture is widely used as an alternative therapy for the treatment of stress, migraines, fibromyalgia, stomach cramps, and other problems. 4. Aromatherapy. Aromatherapy uses aromas to aid in the treatment of emotional problems. Often stress can be caused by a person's emotional issues, so this therapy can help tremendously. Through plant oils, this technique helps to improve our mood and can even be used in the treatment of physical pain. 5. Reiki. Reiki is a technique that involves laying hands on the sick person and transmitting the vital energy that's in the universe to the person's vital points, called chakras. There's no need to touch the patient for Reiki. This Japanese technique helps reduce stress and relax the patient's body and mind. Did you already know the alternative therapies described here? Which one have you used? Tell us about the results and post your questions in the comments.